Today we have new story. Thomas Edison, the boy who lit the world. Chapter 1. The Curious Boy.
The boy with big questions, Thomas Edison, was a curious boy. He asked many questions like, why does the sun shine? And why do things fall? His teachers didn't like this. They thought he was not smart. But Thomas just wanted to learn. Trouble at school, Thomas couldn't sit still in class. His teacher said he couldn't learn. His mother disagreed. She took him out of school and taught him at home. She believed in him. Learning at home, Thomas read many books and did science experiments in the basement. He made mistakes, but he never gave up. He loved learning. Working on the train at age 12, Thomas sold newspapers on trains. He built a small lab in one of the cars. But one day, an experiment caused a fire. He was kicked off the train and started to lose his hearing.
Chapter 2. A mind full of ideas.
A quiet life, even though Thomas couldn't hear well, he didn't give up. He said, "Now I can work better without noise." He kept learning and working. First invention, Thomas made a machine that helped send messages faster. A company bought it. Now he knew he could be an inventor. The idea factory, Thomas built a big workshop and worked with a team. They worked long hours building and testing new machines. They wanted to change the world. A bright dream, Thomas wanted to make a light bulb, clean, bright light with no fire. People thought he was crazy, but he started trying.
Chapter 3. Building the Dream.
Many failures, he failed again and again. Wires broke, glass melted. But Thomas said, "I found 10,000 ways that don't work." He never gave up. The light turns on one day, it worked. The bulb stayed on for hours. It was safe and bright. Thomas had done it. He was very happy and feeling proud. Thomas built the first power station in New York City. Wires sent electricity to homes, shops, and streets. When the lights turned on, people were amazed. The city stayed bright all night. It was safer and easier to live with electric light. More inventions, he didn't stop. He made over 1,000 inventions, like the phonograph to play sound and the movie camera. He always worked on new ideas.
Chapter 4. Lighting up the world.
Hard work every day. Thomas worked long hours, even when tired or sick. He said, "Success is 1% idea and 99% hard work." He wasn't alone. Thomas had help from his wife, his team, and his mother. He knew he couldn't do everything by himself. A changed world because of Thomas. Life became easier. Homes had light. People listened to music and watched movies. The world became brighter. Your light inside Thomas failed many times. People laughed at him, but he believed in himself. He never stopped trying. You can do the same. You have a light inside you. Let it shine.
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. See you in the next story.